Can you transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your Paytm account? Today we are going to talk about if you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your Paytm account. Suppose you have one of the Amazon gift card and now you want to, add that Amazon gift card money into your Paytm. So there is no direct way that you can do it. However, the thing that you can try is you can try flipping or reselling the Amazon gift card on the websites like Raise Marketplace. The Reese Marketplace is actually a website which allows you to, resell and buy gift cards. As you guys can see, this is the website. I don't know why it don't let me access it, but in your case, you just have to go to the website and you will be able to sell your Amazon gift card and get that money directly into your bank account. However, there's another easy method as well. You can just go to Amazon and type in the gift card. Like, suppose if you were to buy, your Spotify or any other, you can just simply search for gift cards, and there you go. You can see different type of gift cards which you can buy using your Amazon money. So you just have to redeem your Amazon money, and you will be able to buy different type of gift cards like so DoorDash and stuff. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.